Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Facebook account from Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now select Settings and Privacy option. Select Account Center option. Scroll down until you find Account option. Tap on it. Now to remove Facebook account from Instagram, tap on the Remove button. Select Remove Account option. Go through the information first and tap on Yes Remove button. And this is how you can disconnect Facebook account from Instagram. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.